Hey guys, now this girl is doing awesome work. Now she is plastering the wall. I mean painting the wall. Oh wow, what an amazing skill. Oh wow. Now, oh my god, how can she do that? Amazing. Seems like she is so experienced. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Oh my god. How fast she is doing. Now. Now polar string. Now. Oh my god. Now. Okay. Okay. Oh my god. So soft wall. Okay. 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 Yeah. Oh my god. She is so talented and skillful girl. No. Oh wow. Nice idea. Oh my god. What is now doing? Oh. So talented. Oh my god. Oh my god. Yeah, actually she is so talented and so skillful girl. That's why she is working inconvenient way. Wow. 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 What an artist. Now, oh my god. Now she manually playing the wall. Oh, okay. Oh my god. She has awesome trick also. Oh my god. How can she do that? Surely. Oh my god. No. Oh. Guys, this much for today. Awesome work from girl. Wow. Thanks for watching this video.